Hello, you're welcome to my class. Today, we want to continue our new lesson series on geometry. Please continue to be in my class as we continue this topic. You will learn a lot. Geometry. Today, we'll be looking at lesson 2, and lesson 2 is angles. Lesson 2 is angles. So, at the end of this lesson, we'll be looking at students should be able to understand angles and learn the types of angles. So, let's go. What is angles? Angle is a measure of turn around a fixed point measured from a reference line. So the unit of angle is degree or radian. So you can measure angle in degree, you can measure in radian. Today's topic will concentrate on degree. Compass is an instrument used to measure angle. So we use compass to measure angles. Take note of that. We use compass to measure angle. Now let's look at it in a drawing. Look at that drawing there. You have that line. I told the angle is a measure of turn. So if you draw another line, the turn between this line and the other one is what makes an angle. So it's a space between two intersecting lines. That's another definition of it. So this line, this turn, this space is called angle. So let's look at another line. If you have the two intersection there, the space between those two intersection lines, that is the angle. So the turn from this line to the other line is the angle. So that is what angle is. So let's continue. Let's look at types of angle. If you have an angle like this angle is small. If you measure this angle with a compass, you will know that this angle is less than 90 degrees. At the same time, it's not zero. So this angle theta is less than 90 degrees and it is not zero. This kind of angle is called acute angle. So this is an acute angle. So we look at another angle. Example of an acute angle is 10 degree, 30 degree, up to 89.9 degree. Remember, it is not 90 because 90 is another type of angle we are going to look at it. An angle between two intersecting lines that are vertical and horizontal. So these two lines are vertical and horizontal. So the angle between them is represented by a square box like that. When you see a square box, you know that it is 90 degrees. So this kind of angle is called right angle. Angle whose value is 90 degrees is called right angle. Take note of that. So we have acute angle between 0 and 90, and angle that is 90 degree, that is right angle. So we look at the third angle. If you look at these two angles, you see that is, if you measure that angle theta, you will discover that it is greater than 90. So this angle that is greater than 90 but less than 180. So between the range of 90 to 180, 90 and 180 not included, we call it obtuse angle. So example of obtuse angle is what we have there: 90 degree, 90.2 degree, 120 degree, 139. Remember, it is not 80, but anything less than 80 is obtuse angle. It is not 90. Anything greater than 90 is obtuse angle. Now, let's go ahead to the third types of angle. If you have an angle from that point and then another line joined from that point, so I have a straight line. The angle on a straight line is 180 degree. Remember, angle on a straight line is 180 degree. So this theta is 180 degree. This kind of angle is called straight line angle. Take note, straight line angle. So the four types of angle we have is straight line angle. Now let's look at the fifth type. If you look at this is, look at that angle behind there, you discover that that angle is greater than 180. The angle is greater than 180. So if we take a range from 180 to 360, we have another type of angle called reflex angle. Reflex angle. So far we have five types of angle. Can you help me name them? Acute angle, less than 90 but greater than 0. The next one is right angle, and then we have a obtuse angle, we have straight line angle, and we have reflex angle. Can you help me look at this exercise? Identify the types of angle in the figures. Let's identify them. We have 4 here. Look at it very well and identify them. Okay, let's do it together. The first angle there is less than 90 degrees, so we call it acute angle. The second angle, which is beta, is obviously greater than 90 degrees, so we call it a obtuse angle. The third angle is greater than 180. So the alpha is a reflex angle, and phi is obviously right angle. God bless you. Next time, I want you to join us on another topic on angles on a straight line. Please join us next week, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.